In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page specifically for real estate lead generation step by step. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to build a strong online presence in real estate and convert more visitors into potential leads. Let's dive in. Firstly, understanding the purpose behind a real estate landing page is essential. These specialized pages help capture information from potential clients actively searching for properties or real estate services. The focus is on conversion, driving visitors to fill out a form or contact you directly. Now let's kick off by identifying and researching your target audience. Knowing who you're speaking to informs every decision you make, from the tone of your copy to the images you choose. Gather as much data as possible about your demographic. Are they first-time home buyers, investors, or downsizers? Each group needs a distinct approach, so take the time to get this right. Next, choose whether to use an existing template or build your landing page from scratch. Many platforms offer customizable templates that can save you a lot of time and energy. Templates are great for ensuring you don't miss key elements that help increase conversions, but building from scratch allows for complete creative control if that's a better fit for your brand. Now consider the 5 essential elements of an effective real estate landing page. These include a compelling headline, a clear call to action, engaging visuals, trust signals like testimonials or security badges, and a straightforward lead capture form. By combining these elements effectively, you create an inviting page ready to convert visitors into clients. Moving on, embracing UX, user experience design principles will significantly enhance user engagement. Keep your design simple and intuitive. Navigation should be easy with a focus on guiding your visitor to the desired action, whether that's filling out a form or clicking a button. Avoid clutter. Clean, minimal designs often work best. Integration with CRM tools is another vital step. By connecting your landing page with a customer relationship management system, you can seamlessly manage and nurture your leads. Automation tools can help you follow up with prospects promptly and track their journey, making your follow-ups more personalized and effective. Once your landing page is live, driving targeted traffic to it is key. Utilize a blend of online marketing strategies such as social media advertising and Google Ads tailored to your audience. Consider investing in SEO to draw organic traffic from search engines. Remember, the better your traffic quality, the higher your conversion rates will be. Finally, optimization is an ongoing process. Test various elements of your page to see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing headlines, images, and call to action buttons, for instance, can provide insights into what works and what doesn't. Regularly review your page's performance and adjust as needed to improve conversions over time. By following these detailed steps, you're well on your way to creating an effective real estate landing page that not only attracts potential clients, but also helps nurture them into valuable leads. Happy building!